Yes, a very good afternoon to all of you. So, you all are excited for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, first, we will have some question and answers. I want to see that whether my small kids are aware of the food or not. Okay? A thumbs up, everyone. Yes, very good. I'm happy to see you all.
मैम
Yes, बच्चा.
आपने तो बाउल बोला था वो ऐसे चलेंगे क्या?
I want a mixing bowl and one bowl of tomato, one bowl of cucumber, one bowl of onion. ओके. एक 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 टमाटर, एक कांदा, प्याज और एक ककड़ी. अगर किसी के यहाँ प्याज नहीं खाया जाता है तो इट्स ओके.
मैम
यस बच्चा.
मेरे घर पे ककड़ी नहीं है.
चलेगा, आपके घर पे जो अवेलेबल है वो ही ले लीजिए. We have some time. We are going to start our making by 4:30. We have some time. I want to ask you people questions. So are you all ready? Yes, we have some time, bacha. Meghna, we have some time. Is Rusha Dhoot present?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Who has joined in the name of All in One?
Ma'am, Zainam J. Bohra.
Okay, are you ready with the material?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I want each and everyone's camera on. Jainam, I have never seen you with your camera on, bacha.
मैम मैं काटली टमाटर कट कर रही.
हाँ ओके, आपकी मम्मा कट करेगी ना बच्चा, क्या आप कर रहे हो?
मैम मैं कर रही हूँ कटल में.
वाओ, आप कटर, इससे कटर से कर रहे हो. वेरी गुड बच्चा, वेरी गुड.
थैंक यू मैम.
ओके, बी ऑन म्यूट. Okay, so raise hand option you have to click whenever I am asking you something. Okay, show me a thumbs up. Yes. First of all, why do we eat food? Yes, Palak.
We eat food for our health.
Yes. Yes, Nishchal. Why do we eat food?
To stay healthy.
Very good. Now, when we are staying healthy by eating food, what happens to our body? Does it remain fit and fine? Or do we feel drowsy and lazy? There are two options. Yes, Inika.
We feel fit.
We feel fit. Okay. Now, O Mandhari, you will say me that what food items will make you fit? What food items make you fit?
Healthy
Healthy food like, can you give me examples?
salad.
Salad and vegetables. Right?
Vegetables.
Yes. Now, Palak. Palak?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What food items makes you drowsy and lazy?
Junk food like pizza, burger.
Yes. Now, Just show me a thumbs up. How many are more often eating pizzas, burger, french fries, pastas? Just show me a thumbs up. How many of you are eating more often? No, it's okay. Even I eat. See, I am raising a thumbs up. Even I eat more often because that is easy to make, right?
Yes,
आज
ma'am.
खाना बनाने के लिए बहुत बोर हो रहा है मम्मा चलो आप कोई बात नहीं मैगी बना दो पास्ता बना दो राइट
आज
राइट
मैंने पास्ता ही खाया।
यस यस
मैं ज्यादा नहीं खाता, बस कभी कभी ही खाता।
ओके वेरी गुड हैबिट सो
मैं भी कभी कभी
Ma'am, this time same here, ma'am.
मैम ऑल्सो सेम हियर।
ओके यस
Mama makes green vegetables, ma'am.
यस
मैम हाइट
वेरी गुड यू आर
Ma'am,
ईटिंग
I eat
ब्रोकोली
all green
वेरी गुड
vegetables except Karela.
Very good. See, you should, for staying fit, fine, and healthy. First of all, there are a wide category of vegetables available in our market, right? Right? Show me a thumbs up, right? Yes. So, the first number, what you should eat the most is your green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, fenugreek, then coriander, it can be mint leaves also. It can be in any form, in salad, whether you are cooking and eating your vegetable, whether you are eating raw in the form of salad. It is very good to eat green leafy vegetables. You should include more and more of green leafy vegetables in your diet, especially during this pandemic. It has become a compulsion that every week twice you should eat green leafy vegetables. Twice it is compulsory to eat green leafy vegetables. Then comes the vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, okra. Okra means bindi. Then it is tomatoes, onions, potatoes. Yes.
मैम मेरे पास
in my family we eat Fridays healthy food, and then we Saturday Sunday we eat junk food.
Yes, very good. Good habit you all are following. No one should eat more of junk food. No one should eat more of junk food. See, whether it is, handmade junk food like we are preparing at our home only, then it is okay to have once in a week or twice in a week, not more than that. But outside food, suppose you are ordering pizza from Domino's, you are having a McDonald's burger, you are having the French fries from McDonald's. No chatting in the chat box, please. Ojas. Yeah, thank you. So you have to eat maximum your homemade cooked food, and include more and more of salads also. You should eat onions, which are very good for your health. Okay, in some people's home, onions are not used. It is okay, no issues. You can eat carrots, you can eat radish, cucumber. Who is there? So, yes, now, Khushi, you will say me that how do salads help our body? Does it make us strong or it makes us sleepy and drowsy? Yes, very good. It makes you strong. Please be muted.
मैम I don't have bread.
Who is there? You don't have bread. Then you don't have any of the bread, not brown, nor brown, nor this white.
No ma'am.
Do you have extra made chapatis at home then? Hello? Pratham?
I'll see.
Yes, because that is our main ingredient.
Excuse me.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, we are
Can we use
making
chapatis
a
instead of
sandwich.
bread?
Yes, you can use chapatis instead of bread.
Because here there's a complete lockdown. We could not get the
Yes,
bread.
yes. I understood. I understand, ma'am. Here also it is a complete lockdown.
Yeah.
So if you have extra chapatis made already at home, then it's okay. We will start our cooking part by 4:30. I have given time of half an hour, so even anyone is making any preparation, then I have given the time. Yes.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
There are two people talking. Both of them on mute. Raise hand.
मैम थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलिए, उसको इंग्लिश नहीं समझ में आता, ऐसा बोल रही हूँ.
ओके ओके. सो आपके लिए एक क्वेश्चन मैं हिंदी में ही पूछूंगी. ओके. हमें लंबा होने के लिए और स्ट्रॉन्ग होने के लिए वेजिटेबल्स के साथ साथ और क्या चीज की जरूरत होती है?
Sprouts.
फ्रूट्स. वेरी गुड. और एक मिनट. आई हैव आस्क्ड ओनली वन पर्सन ना.
Milk. Ma'am, milk.
Yes, who told this milk? Who told this milk? Very good. You should drink. Wait. Why is there a chaos again in the class? Why? Every day I have to explain you.
मैम उसने भी दूध ही बोला, आपको फ्रूट.
Yes. दूध. हमें दिन में कम से कम भी नहीं तो 2 बारी दूध पीना जरूरी है. मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग. ओके. एंड वन टाइम ड्यूरिंग दिस पैंडेमिक एक बार हल्दी वाला दूध पीना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. भले ही गर्मी हो, लेकिन आप बच्चे लोगों को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनना है. आप लोगों का शक्ति रहना चाहिए. तो यू हैव टू ड्रिंक टर्मरिक मिल्क. हल्दी दूध रोज पीना है. यस बच्चा.
My mother makes every day in the night. She makes.
Yes, you have to. Yes.
मैं पीती हूँ बहुत हल्दी वाले दूध.
Yes, Tanishka, very good. No, we are not going to make bhel. What is the discussion going on in the chat box? You ask me, why are you discussing on your own? Pratham, Palak, what is going on? We are going to make a sandwich. We are not going to make bhel, Pratham. Okay, so now is anyone yet remaining to give the answer? Only the people remaining should raise their hand. Others lower their hand.
Ma'am, sprouts.
I have not asked it here. Wait, let me ask. Okay. Kinjal, I want you to answer now. Kinjal, switch on your camera, bacha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Fruits हमें कभी खाना चाहिए? What is the best time to eat fruits?
Evening. Ma'am,
Hello.
morning.
Wait.
मैम कभी भी दिन में कभी भी खा सकते. In time.
Okay. Mute yourself. The best time to eat fruits is in the morning. You should include your fruits with your breakfast. Remember, you should eat breakfast. You should have minimum 3 meals, maximum 4 meals. मिनिमम 3 meals, मैक्सिमम 4 meals, नॉट मोर देन दैट कि आज रात को तो हमें मूवी देखनी है, मूवी के साथ साथ कुछ और बैठ के खाएंगे. नो. ओके. So you should have minimum 3 meals. First will be your breakfast. So breakfast with your milk, whatever your hot food is there, that suppose like upma, poha, sabudana khichdi, then any kind of dhokla, then rava dosa or anything, idli, whatever you should have hot. With that, one fruit is compulsory. Your breakfast should be the healthier meal of the day. The healthier meal of the day should be your breakfast. That's why we say always eat breakfast king size. What do we say? Eat breakfast king size. Everyone repeat. Eat breakfast king size. Come on, I want everyone to unmute and repeat. Eat breakfast king size.
Eat breakfast king size.
Yes. Yes. All of you muted. All of you muted. All of you muted. Then should be your lunch. Now with your lunch, you are not at all going to include your fruits. With your lunch, you can include salads like tomatoes, cucumbers, beetroot, carrot, radish, onions. You can include that. Not at all your fruits with your lunch. It becomes toxic in your body when you include the fruits with the lunch. The fruits with the vegetables, when you include, it is bad for your health. Now, third meal should be your evening meal. For you bachas, actually, it is 4 meal. For the kids above 15, it can be directly dinner also. But for you bachas, it should be 4 meal. Fourth meal should be your milk with, with even if you want fruit, you can have a fruit, or with milk some light items like kurmura bhel or some sandwich, anything which is light, okay, which is not having more and more of fat items in it. And your dinner again should be light, less proportionate to your lunch, but healthy, not junk. Okay. Thumbs
Okay,
up,
ma'am.
everyone. Yes. Now I give all of them 5 minutes time. Even I am going to my kitchen and getting the stuffs what was required for our today's class. So I give everyone 5 minutes time. Go to your kitchen, make your tray ready for the material which I told
Ma'am, see,
in the class.
mine is full red.
Wait.
See,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Those of you has have kept ready, please be on mute. No one will unmute themselves. No one on unmute, please. Everyone, I have given 5 minutes for you to make the material ready, what is required for today's class.
Ma'am,
Yes.
which video we have to pin?
Wait, as of now, I haven't started. I'm also preparing. Give me 2 minutes, bacha. Give me 2 minutes.
Ma'am, the class is till 6 or 5:30.
What?
The class is till 6 or 5.
No. It will be till 5:30 only. Don't worry. Why? You have another class?
No, ma'am, I was just asking.
Okay.
Ma'am, I don't have butter, so I can use ghee.
Anyone is having any questions?
Ma'am, I don't have butter because here is a curfew in Latur, so I can't take. So I can use ghee.
Yes, you can use.
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a little bit oregano.
What you have?
I have a little bit oregano. Ma'am, I have.
Wait. Two people are asking. Yes, Inika, first you say.
Ma'am, I have this much oregano.
Little onion.
No, I have this much oregano. Can you see?
Yes, it is okay. How much ever you have at your home, that is okay. No need of buying anything which is not required as of now. Give me 2 more minutes. Only 2 more minutes.
नितिन ढोकानिया प्लीज म्यूट योर वॉल्यूम. मैम कैन वी स्टार्ट?
Yes, a minute, please.
ओके मैम.
मैम हमें क्या करना है अभी?
Is everyone able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to fill.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, in Ruchita Moda's screen, are you able to see Ruchita Moda's screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you? Yeah. So, are you able to see the ingredients? Are you able to all see the ingredients?
Ma'am, your
Rucha,
voice is low.
now? Now?
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Your voice is low.
Now you all can hear me?
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes.
आपने दो डिफरेंट बाउल बताए थे लेने के लिए, तो जो आपके स्क्रीन पे दिख रहे हैं आपने उल्टे करके रखे वैसे चाहिए क्या? मतलब कांच के से छोटे छोटे, अगर कोई
क्या
भी?
आपको कोई से भी चलेंगे?
हाँ, जो भी आपने हाथ में लिए वैसे ही
आपके पास
चाहिए।
स्टील का है, स्टील का भी चलेगा मैम, जरूरी
बस
नहीं है
स्ट्रेट,
कांच का।
नहीं नहीं कांच के में, बट स्ट्रेट चाहिए, थोड़ा ऐसा कॉर्क शेप वगैरह चलेगा?
नहीं, उसका एजेस ऐसा शार्प। एक्चुअली सी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज अ बाउल, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दिस। वी वांट टू कट दिस ब्रेड, ओके?
ओके
तो मैं आपको बाउल लाके बताती हूँ कि कैसा होना चाहिए। गिव मी अ मिनट।
ओके
अपने बड़ो रस कटोरा है ना, वो क्या और उससे कट कर वो छोटी गोल कटोरी ना अपनी।
मैम ये स्कूल की कटोरी चलेगी
Who has joined in the name of Dr. Ravi Karan Rathi? Who has joined? Who is there in the name of Dr. Ravi Karan Rathi?
Excuse me, ma'am. It's me, Dr. Neha Rathi.
What?
It's me, Dr. Neha Rathi, ma'am. From
Okay,
Buldana.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So, do we begin? Are you all able to see my screen properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to cut the bread like this now in circle shape.
ma'am. Ma'am, your screen is hanged. मैम सेशन कब शुरू होगा? मैम देयर इज 2 रुचिता होता. रुचिता इसको पिंक.
ये तो बात भी नहीं करता खुद का. आप ये करने आओ.
देखो ऐसे कट करा मैंने. प्लीज मुझे दिखाओ प्लीज. डाल दो. Someone tomatoes. कैसे कट करना है इसको?
उल्टा चाकू है भाऊ. ये जो लगता है हाथ को. 1 मिनट.
हाँ लगता है
वो इस साइड रखना चाहिए.
अच्छा ही वाह.
1 मिनट पहले सीख तो ले.
ज्योति म्यूटेड वाली कितने मस्त है.
चल लेकर वो कटोरी ना.
Ma'am, you are unmuted.
This is onion, this is tomato, this is cucumber, this is sprouted moong. I have done sprouted moong. Whatever you have done, sprouted moong or chana, you can take that ingredient along with you. Okay? Show me a thumbs up.
Ma'am, I don't have sprouted moong or chana.
Okay, will do. Then whatever you have, it's okay. So take your...
Ma'am, I have bread and bowls, tomato, onion, then cucumber, tomato sauce, chaat masala.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Indika, listen to me now. Please be on mute.
Ma'am, I am down. Ma'am, I have sprouts.
Now, if each and everyone will say me what you have, we are not going to do this thing, and we are only going to listen what you all have and what you don't have. I gave you all half an hour for me to speak. Please be on mute, everyone. Pin the screen, Ruchita Mohta, and keep my video and audio are audible and visible over there only.
Ma'am, is this bowl okay?
Yes, it's okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now take each and every ingredient, take out in a mixing bowl. Each and every ingredient take out in the mixing bowl and you have to mix it. So first I have taken onion, then tomato, then I have taken cucumber, then I have taken my sprouted moong and I am mixing it. You don't have to move it rapidly. You have to move it very slowly. ज़्यादा जोर से नहीं हिलाना है. एकदम धीरे धीरे हिलाना है.
मैम फर्स्ट क्या है?
Jai, what ingredients you are having? Whatever ingredients you are having as of now, you have to take it in a mixing bowl and mix it gently. आराम से मिक्स करना है, ऐसे घाई में हिलाना नहीं है. Now add some salt to it to taste. Okay? ज्यादा भी नमक नहीं डालना है. Okay? Add some salt to taste and again mix it well. Now I had in my home chili flakes and oregano. So I am sprinkling that. If at all you are having, you can put it. Otherwise, if you don't have and you don't put, then also it's okay. You have to mix it well. Now keep this mixing bowl aside and coming on to your bread. Take one bread like this with your bigger bowl. See, with your bigger bowl, just adjust the shape of your bread and you have to cut it like this. I am having a bread cutter, so I am cutting with the help of bread cutter. You should cut in this way that you can form a circle out of your bread. Now this was of your bigger bread. Now I told you two bowls, one big size and one small size. Take again another bread, cut that circle of small size. Cut it in a way that your bread is not going to break. Okay? Cut it in this way that your bread will not break. Again, from the big circle, you are getting again a shape like this. The small layer of bread.
Ma'am, I'm making in a square shape. It is
Like
okay?
this.
Hello,
So
ma'am.
this was the same big bowl. This was the same big bowl. The big bowl cutting size, which I
Hello.
showed you.
Hello, ma'am.
Jai, please be on mute.
Ma'am, I am telling.
Yes, you can take a square if you don't have anything in round to cut. Now you can place. See, these two are the same size circles. So you can keep like this and see first that is it coming proper. Okay, you have to keep it like this.
मैम
Yes.
छोटे बाउल से कितने स्लाइस कट करनी है?
देखो, छोटे बाउल से ना पहले तो एक स्लाइस कट करो.
हाँ.
ब्रेड टूटना नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ.
और वही बड़े वाले बाउल से वापस से ऐसा कट करना है. ये देखो.
ओके.
हाँ.
एंड देन फिर से जो नीचे
ये जो हमने बड़ा बाउल का सर्कल कट करके रखा था ना,
हाँ,
उसको नीचे रख के ये जो एक लेयर हमको खाली ऐसा मिला है, इसको ऐसे रखना है.
ओके.
ऊपर. ओके.
ओके.
So repeat it for at least 4 breads, the same thing. Okay? Repeat the same
Ma'am,
thing for
please
4 breads.
readjust. Ma'am, please readjust your camera.
Readjust. Yes. Now you can see.
Please show that other ring.
This. The other ring is of this size, this bowl size.
Please show the cut pieces of both the types.
Okay. This is the big bowl cutted circle. Then first we cut the another small bowl cutted circle और उसी से वापस से big bowl से ऐसा करना है.
Okay.
तो जो दूसरा ब्रेड है ना, मेरा पहला ब्रेड टूट गया था, बट दूसरा ब्रेड नहीं टूटना चाहिए करते हुए सर्कल.
अरे टूट गई ना पर.
Please be on mute. Please be on mute. See that your circle is properly being cut and you are not tearing the bread. Palak, what doubt you have? Any doubt you have, Palak? You have raised your hand. You have clicked on the raise hand icon. Now while doing this second time, just for a ring, you can just take this bread out like this and you will get a form of ring.
Ma'am, we have to for all 4 circles of bread.
देखो मेरे 2 सर्कल सेम साइज के हैं जो मैंने बड़े बाउल से काटे हैं. हाँ, उसके बाद 2 सर्कल्स मेरे सेम साइज के हैं जो मैंने छोटे बाउल से काटे हैं. बट छोटे बाउल से जो सर्कल काटे थे वही ब्रेड का ऐसा मैंने रिंग शेप भी काटा है बड़े ही बाउल से. तो वो रिंग और ये आपका ब्रेड ऐसा मैच हो जाएगा. देखो moving on further part. Has everyone understood this much? Do we move further? Thumbs up everyone if everyone has understood and have done this.
Ma'am, 1 minute, my one bread is
Yes.
remaining.
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how do we do this thing in chapatis?
चपातीज में भी यही सेम है. आप बड़ा सर्कल पहले काट के रखो.
हाँ.
दूसरे चपाती से छोटे बाउल से छोटा सर्कल काटो और चपाती को टूटने नहीं देना और बड़ा सर्कल से वापस से वो रिंग क्रिएट करना है.
मैम खुशी का चपाती से किए वाला.
एक मिनट. See, everyone can pin खुशी चांदक name and eat. देखो उन्होंने जो चपाती से कर रहे हैं ना वो उनका देखो पिन करके जो भी चपाती से ये बना रहा है सैंडविच खुशी चांदक का वीडियो पिन करके रखना. उन्होंने अभी चपाती से ही राउंड कट किया है. वेरी गुड खुशी.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, O Mandhari.
हाँ, wait man, wait. Oh, Mandari is in which mobile he is logged in from?
खुशी चांडक आपका एक बार बताओ ना बेटा।
खुशी चांडक एक बार बताओ बेटा।
ओह सो स्वीट।
Oh, Mandari, I can't see you. Please be on unmute and show me.
Is it visible now?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
I'm just
Now
showing the
it is
slide.
visible.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can start.
So now we have to spread the butter or ghee. जिसके पास घी है वो घी स्प्रेड कर सकता है, जिसके पास बटर है वो बटर स्प्रेड कर सकता है. I'm having as it is bread, so I'm spreading butter on it. बड़े ब्रेड पे, बड़ा जो राउंड बनाया ना बड़े सर्कल का, उस पे यू हैव टू स्प्रेड. सो हमें सिर्फ 2 ही पीस में करना है. ये जो राउंड रिंग जैसा काटा है ना, वो सिर्फ ऐसे ही लगाना है. सी, छोटे 2 ब्रेड्स में बटर नहीं लगाना है, बड़े 2 ब्रेड्स में बटर लगाया जो राउंड काटा. Now if all are having tomato ketchup,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, if all are having tomato ketchup, जो छोटे जो 2 गोल किए हैं ना, जो छोटे बाउल के 2 गोल थे, उसमें टोमेटो केचप से स्प्रेड करना है.
Ma'am, this is the first process, na? Please tell na from
What बचा?
starting.
देखो, जो बड़ा वाला ये है, बड़ा वाला बाउल से 2 सर्कल काटे हैं हमने, उनमें बटर स्प्रेड किया है. किसी के पास बटर नहीं है तो वो घी भी लगा सकते हैं. और वो जो रिंग काट के रखा था ना, उसको एज इट इज अपने ब्रेड के ऊपर रखना है, उसमें कुछ नहीं लगाना. एंड सेकेंड, जो 2 छोटे बाउल के सर्कल्स थे, उसमें हमें टमेटो केचप लगाना है. टमेटो केचप अगर किसी के घर पे नहीं है और फ्रूट जैम है तो फ्रूट जैम भी लगा सकते हैं. मोस्टली सबके घरों में टमेटो केचप होता है. तो टमेटो केचप अगर नहीं है तो यू कैन पुट फ्रूट जैम इफ यू हैव. व्हाट मैम? हेलो, हु इज टॉकिंग? हु इज आस्किंग? ऑन द चपाती आप टमेटो केचप लगा सकते हैं छोटे वाले राउंड में, बट इट इज एडवाइजेबल बटर मत लगाना. यू कैन अप्लाई घी. एंड इफ योर किड इज एडिक्टेड टू बटर चपाती, वो खा सकते हैं बटर चपाती, तो बटर आप लगा सकते हो.
मैम मैं बोल रहा था चीज नहीं चलेगा.
बचा है तो आपके पास चलेगा ना, मैंने वो ऑप्शनल रखा था. जिसके घर में चीज अवेलेबल है रेडीली ग्रेट किया हुआ, they can use. Not now, wait. Is everyone ready with this part? Ojas and Chavi, you both are not doing kya? You both are just chit-chatting. I can see you both chit-chatting. क्या मम्मा को लगाएगा काम पे चार्ली? Yes, पलक, if you have heart mold, but heart mold आपके पास
मैम,
दो साइज के होने चाहिए.
मैम
Yes.
चीज किसके लिए सब्स्टिट्यूट है?
चीज तो सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है मैम, ऊपर से आप डेकोरेशन कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा, एक्चुअली मेरे पास चीज स्प्रेड है एंड चीज स्लाइस है, चीज ग्रेट करने वाला नहीं है.
हाँ, तो फिर that is not a substitute, but if you want, your kid is very fond of eating cheese, then ये जो सॉस वाला किया है ना हमने, उसमें
हाँ.
यही शेप का वो जो स्क्वायर स्लाइस होगा ना,
हाँ.
हाँ, तो
हाँ.
वो यही शेप का कट करके आप लगा सकते हो.
Ma'am, what we
That
have
is
to do,
absolutely an option, huh, but
ma'am,
yes, बच्चा.
what we have to do next.
Wait, I am just waiting for other parents. They are doing for other kids. रुषा, म्यूट करना बच्चा.
Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, yes, Bacha, I am here only. So, okay, I am going to show to the bachas who are having cheese slice. Who are having cheese slice, how to apply. Those who are having, those who are not having, it's okay. This was not a compulsion. ये जो घर में खाता है regularly, उनके पास है तो ठीक है. मेरे पास शेडाल चीज है, आपके पास white भी होगा तो भी चलेगा. I am having this cheese, so I am putting this. I am showing you how to do. हाँ बच्चा,
चीज ग्रेड किया हुआ चलेगा?
हाँ ग्रेट किया हुआ भी चलेगा. मैं जस्ट आपको दिखाती हूँ. मैं जस्ट एक्चुअली लेके आई. सी, इसको है ना, जो चीज स्लाइस का है ना, उसको छोटे वाले कटर से कट करना. मेक इट अ राउंड, ओनली वन, एंड कीप इट हियर in that one small circle. ओके, जिस किसी के पास भी ये वाला चीज है, चीज स्लाइस वाला चीज है, और जिसके पास ग्रेटेड चीज है, दैट आई विल शो यू इन सम टाइम. हैव पेशेंस, ग्रेटेड चीज अभी नहीं लगाना है. नाउ टू बिगिन विथ अगेन, ये जो हमारा मिक्स मटेरियल है, यहाँ पे जो हमने ये मटेरियल रेडी करके रखा है, पहले तो हम ये वाला बाउल जो कि बड़ा वाला है, हमने बाउल शेप बनाया है. कैन यू ऑल गेट माई बाउल शेप? सी, तो हमें अंदर के पार्ट में ही डालना है, ऊपर वाले पार्ट में नहीं डालना है मटेरियल.
Ma'am, I have a grated cheese, so I can put.
Just will you wait? I will show of grated cheese. I am showing. I got my grated. I got my cheese. I will grate and show how to do. Wait. See, this is option number 1, which is without cheese. जिनके पास चीज नहीं है. हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल? अब इसके ऊपर ना, ओके, अब इसके ऊपर ना आप लोगों के पास ऑरिगेनो है और चिली फ्लेक्स है, तो दोबारा से एक बारी डालना. ओके, और अब ये वाला आई एम शोइंग अनदर दिस बाउल made shape. Okay, this will be with the grated cheese. I am showing you how. Place the material again in the middle part. Don't let the material go out in the ring part. Okay? Are you all understanding? Okay? Then what you have to do for the cheese, I will show you. Give me a minute. Just grate some of the cheese before in another bowl and keep it ready. Don't directly grate over that. Because grated cheese is only for garnishing. It is only to garnish. So this is the grated cheese, which you have to take it like this and just apply like this. It should not go in the ring part. Again, it should not go in the ring part. It should only cover the part where you have placed the vegetable and salad. Okay, this is option 2. नाउ दिस, जिसमें मैंने चीज रखा है नीचे, तो इसमें चीज नीचे रहेगा. जिसके पास भी चीज है, इसमें चीज नीचे रहेगा. एंड ऑन द चीज यू विल बी प्लेसिंग योर मटेरियल लाइक दिस. सॉस के ब्रेड के ऊपर पहले नीचे हमने चीज का ये रखा. ऑन द चीज यू विल बी प्लेसिंग योर मटेरियल लाइक दिस. This is option 3 and option 4 is sauce के ऊपर you have to again put up your material like this. Now, if at all you want, you can garnish the cheese. I am not putting salt again because हमने mix करते time salt डाला था. You can garnish again with chili flakes and with oregano if you are having. If you don't have, then also it's okay.
अगर नहीं है तो उसके बगैर चाट मसाला चलेगा?
चलेगा. अभी आपको ये प्लेन वाली में भी आपके पास अगर नहीं है तो ये ऐसा ही रहेगा. यू कैन हैव इट लाइक दिस ओनली. और है तो आप अपना ग्रेट किया हुआ चीज ऐसे स्प्रिंकल कर सकते हैं. सो दिस वन इज विद द सॉस, वन इज विद द बटर और घी. So here all of my 4 options are ready. You can have a look. This one is of small bowl, 2 circles we cutted. Then एक में हमने स्लाइस चीज का भी वही साइज का राउंड कट करके नीचे प्लेस किया है. हमने हमारा मटेरियल को लगाया है उसके ऊपर. और मेरे पास अवेलेबल है ऑरिगेनो और चिली फ्लेक्स, तो मैंने ऊपर से उसको गार्निश किया है. इसमें मैंने नीचे सॉस लगाया था स्मॉल बाउल वाले कटेड राउंड में ही. उसके ऊपर से मैंने मटेरियल डाला और उसके ऊपर मेरा अवेलेबिलिटी है घर का, इसके लिए मैंने चीज डाला. जिस किसी के पास भी अवेलेबल नहीं है या वो लोग चीज नहीं खाते, सो इट इज नॉट अ कंपल्शन. Now in this we cutted 2 circles फ्रॉम द बिगर बाउल, और जो 2 स्मॉल सर्कल्स कट किए थे उसी में से दो बिग रिंग करके निकाले हमने, और वो रिंग के अंदर हमने ये मटेरियल ऐसे भरा है। नीचे वाले सर्कल में हमने बटर स्प्रेड लगा के रखा हुआ है ताकि हमारा जो ये वाला सर्कल है वो एज इट इज रहे, हिले नहीं। ऊपर मटेरियल भरा है, इसमें ऊपर से मैंने ऑरिगेनो और चिली फ्लेक्स को जस्ट गार्निश किया है। सेकेंड ऑप्शन में, बिग ब्रेड के सेकेंड ऑप्शन में मैंने नीचे बटर स्प्रेड करके रखा था, फिर ऊपर मैंने उसमें मटेरियल भरा मेरा जो मिक्स मटेरियल था, और ऊपर से चीज डाल के मैंने ऑरिगेनो और चिली फ्लेक्स किया हुआ है गार्निश। सी you all can eat it also, and all of you say me how it is tasting, and give it to your moms because your moms are behind this. I can see many of the moms working behind this. First give it to your mom, then you have. Give it to your dad also if your dad is at home, or at night if he is back from work. Make another like this and serve him. I'm sure he will like it too.
हेलो मैम,
Yes, बच्चा.
आई एम टेलिंग हम ऐसे 4-5 बना के रख सकते हैं क्या?
बना के रखोगे तो फ्रिज में रखना, वरना ये मटेरियल अभी देखो मेरा बचा हुआ मटेरियल मैं अलग से रखूंगी, मुझे जब रिक्वायर्ड रहेगा, जब मुझे खाना होगा तब मैं रखूंगी, वरना आपको फ्रिज का ठंडा वाला सैंडविचेस पसंद है क्या? But actually it is not advisable in this season that you should have a cold sandwich.
मैम मुझे नहीं, मैम मुझे फ्रिज का खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो फिर मैं इसे अभी बना के रख के मैं खा लूंगा। अभी बना सकते हैं 4-5?
हाँ, बाद में भी आपको जब खाना है आप तब बना सकते हो। अब आपको मेथड तो समझ में आ गया ना?
यस
हमने
मैम।
सबसे पहले कुकुम्बर, टमेटो, अनियन और स्प्राउट मूव, मैंने स्प्राउट मूव लिया हुआ है।
मैम मैं आपको बताऊं क्या?
हाँ, you can show and be on mute. I can see everyone's screen. Please be on mute. Yes, very good, Jay. You can eat it also, and everyone say me how it is tasting. Okay? Yes, very good. Wait, wait.
Ma'am, I eat a little bit. Ma'am, I eat a little bit.
Very good, Charlie. Very
so
good,
tasty.
Rogers.
Ma'am, it is so tasty.
Yes, eat it.
Ma'am, what you are telling?
I told you very good. You were showing.
Ma'am, it is
Very
very
good.
good. Ma'am,
this is very tasty. Kushi, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, it's very, very, very tasty. Ma'am,
Wait, no one is going to say me like this. Wait, बच्चा, wait. I am seeing the मैं सबका देख रही हूँ, मुझे सबका देखना है, मेरा स्क्रीन चालू है। Wow, Kushi, very good.
Ma'am.
Wait, unmute yourself, Kushi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Kushi. You are made from chapati, right? खुशी ने चपाती से बनाया है। वेरी गुड। Yes, Rusha, unmute yourself. Yes, Rusha, very good.
Kushi, can you show me?
Yes, sure.
Wow, very nice.
Irika, show me yours.
Ma'am, it is outside. I will show you in the group, okay?
Yes.
Thank you, Kushi.
Who else is showing me? Home. Charlie, 1 second, show me again yours.
बोल सही जल्दी।
Very good. Wow. Very good, Tanishka.
Thank you.
Who is showing me? Just unmute yourself and show me one by one. If another is showing, then you should be on mute. Oh, Mandari, show me yours. Unmute yourself and show me. Nishchal,
Yes, ma'am.
show me, bacha.
Yes.
Yes, very good, Nishchal. Give it to your sister also. She will be happy. Wow, भैया ने बनाया है मेरे लिए.
मैम ये चपाती सैंडविच देखोगे?
कौन दिखा रहा है बच्चा? हाँ बताओ खुशी.
अपन
खुशी कैमरा रखना वैसे. आप नीचे रखो, कैमरा रखना वैसे.
अपन भी सुधा का करता बनती पप्पा.
पप्पा खाना रहता बनाओ.
Yes, very good खुशी. Very good.
हीरा में रख.
मैम केंद्र.
खाइए ना.
Very good खुशी.
मैं बनाई.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good Kinjal. Very good Kinjal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rusha, Chinmay, Palak,
Ma'am,
Prasad.
can I leave the meeting?
Aditya.
Ma'am.
Who is asking? Who is saying something?
Ma'am, Inika.
Yes, Inika, wait. Yes, Inika, say.
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting?
No. No one is going to leave. I want you all to be here because more 10 minutes. People are eating now. The kids are eating now. I give 10 minutes for you to eat. In 10 minutes now, I will explain you what is to be done tomorrow. Okay? Tomorrow is our acting activity. So I want you all to explain. I want you all to explain that what are we going to do tomorrow.
बेटा कैसे गाड़ी.
Inika, be on mute, bacha. No one is going to leave the meeting now before I say a bye. No
We have to dress like class. What we have to become.
हाँ मैं बताती हूँ बच्चा. मैं आप लोगों को 10 मिनट दे रही हूँ. आप लोग 10 मिनट में अपना खा लो. 10 मिनट में आप लोग सब अपना खा के खत्म करो. Wash your hands and come and sit on your seat. I will be explaining you what is to be done tomorrow. Because then बहुत सारे बच्चे लोग अगर अभी नहीं समझे ना तो आप लोग बहुत सारे बच्चे लोग क्वेश्चन मार्क के जैसे देखोगे मुझे.
ये उम्मीद है.
Ma'am, see my.
कौन दिखा रहा है?
Ma'am, Mr. Mundra.
Very good मिष्टी. Very nice. Wow, so many yummy things. आज आप लोग सब लोग ना शाम को है ना, ये तो अभी आप और आपकी मम्मा लोग को दो खाने को या तो आपके छोटे भाई बहन, और शाम आप लोग अपनी मम्मी पापा दादा दादी नाना नानी जो भी घर पे है ना सबके लिए बनाओ ये. And post me the pictures of you making alone without me on my WhatsApp group or Facebook. Yes.
जावे ना पकाओ. संदीप एक तो सारा बेटा.
Yes, Tanishka. Yes, Tanishka.
मैंने मना के सबको दिया।
ओके आप बैठो फिर।
दोनों आके तो खाना बन गो।
नुसतं
बैठो बैठो फिर।
क्या है?
चीज खारो रे बेटा.
यस मेघना वेरी नाइस।
मम्मी ने कहा पापा
Your sandwich are ready.
your sandwich are ready तैयार।
मेरा प्रोजेक्ट स्लाइस चाहिए थी ना अपन
Single slice को लगाने वाली.
कुछ मैं दो केक स्लाइस रॉपर थोड़ो यो नहीं केगी
नहीं इसको खाना है।
उसको खाना है
इसे शिकायत टीचर ने।
रोस्टेड नहीं करम किया टीचर ने
प्लीज म्यूट पे रहो बच्चा, प्लीज म्यूट पे रहो बच्चा। I again say you, no one is going to leave the meeting. I am going to give you all some instructions regarding tomorrow, so no one is going to leave the meeting. By 5:20 I will start. So by 5:20 you all are having time to eat and wash your hands and come all sit in your places.
Ma'am, it is so tasty. Hello, ma'am. It's so tasty. So tasty.
मैडम मैडम
Crystal, please mute yourself.
अभी ब्रेक दिया है क्या बीच में?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अभी ब्रेक किस लिए दिया है?
मैम टीचर ने।
Yes.
Yes.
हाँ ब्रेक दिया है क्या बोलिए अभी बीच में 5 मिनट
हाँ,
के लिए?
मैंने उन लोगों को बच्चे लोगों को खाने को बोला है, So by 5:20 more 2-3 minutes we will start again. मुझे ये बताना है कि कल क्या करना है हमें.
ओके ओके.
और ये भी बताओ ना कि ये खाया
मैम 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 आई हैव अ डाउट.
Yes, Inika.
Ma'am, how to rename?
Inika, why are you? कोई 2 लोग अनम्यूट है क्या बच्चा?
No, ma'am, I am only unmute.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, how to rename ourselves?
How do we?
Rename ourselves.
How do we name our?
Rename.
Wait. Again, Jay, don't be unmute. Jay, you are unmuting yourself again and again. Yes, Inika, say me.
Ma'am, how to rename ourselves when we are joining?
You can't. In Google Meet, you can't. In Zoom, you can.
But then we can't rename ourselves.
No, in Google Meet, there is no option of renaming. In Zoom app, if you are on Zoom video call, there is a option of renaming yourself. But in in Google Meet.
I do classes in Zoom meeting.
Yes, in Zoom there is the option. In Google Meet there is no option. Because Google Meet is directly connected from Google. So Google is a
It
authorized
takes
app.
the name from the account you sign in.
Yes.
So I've signed in from Om Andhari's Gmail account. That's why it's showing Om Andhari.
Yes,
Whenever I
yes.
sign in from my own account, now it shows mine.
Yes.
The account, email account, actually.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
रुचि मैम कल के बारे में थोड़ा बताना. कल एक्टिंग का सेशन है उसके बारे में.
हाँ, that's what. All are ready? I'm going to say that only, ma'am. Are all ready? Show me a thumbs up, everyone. You can pin Ashita Mohta screen and keep. Yes. So tomorrow there is acting activity wherein I wrote in the material list which I gave that आपका ambition क्या है. Suppose मेरा ambition है I want to become a doctor. मेरा ambition है I want to become a policeman. मेरा ambition है I want to become a pilot. So whatever is my ambition, मुझे मेरा ambition बोलना है कि क्या है, आप उसके जैसे बन सकते हो अगर आपके पास घर में अवेलेबिलिटी है तो. बाहर से कुछ नहीं लाना है और आपको वही प्रोफेशन के बारे में 2-3 लाइनें बोलनी है. 2-3 लाइनें या 2 minutes if you want to say, you can prepare yourself very nicely and say for 2 minutes. Okay, so tomorrow you all will be having a new guest over here. I'm going to introduce my daughter also. She will be also acting on her ambition tomorrow. Okay, so You will be able to see more kids here tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Yes, bacha.
ma'am, Emika's mother is asking, can you say again what are the materials and what do you?
There is no material. See, whatever is your ambition, what you have to become a doctor, you have to become a pilot, you have to become a teacher. What you have to become, you have to either, if you are having the dress of the same, you can wear it, you can express yourself, and you have to say about that role for 2 minutes at least. And if you don't also have a dress, your simple dress, whatever you are wearing, is okay. You don't have to buy anything from out. Since it is a severe lockdown, we are having many cases in and around the city. Wherever you are located, in Maharashtra, in Gujarat, in Madhya Pradesh, in Rajasthan, wherever you are, in South also, there are many cases of corona, so no one is going to go out of their homes to purchase this or that. You have to stay at your homes. Whatever is available at your home, only from that you have to take it, and you have to say, okay, show me a thumbs up.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. समझा आपको? तनिष्का, तनिष्का, आपको हिंदी में बोलूं बच्चा? आपका स्पीच है ना, एक और बात, आपका स्पीच हिंदी में भी हो सकता है, इंग्लिश में भी हो सकता है, आपका जो कंफर्टेबल लैंग्वेज है उसमें हो सकता है आपका स्पीच. इट इज नॉट अ कंपल्शन दैट आपको इंग्लिश में ही बोलना है.
मैम वो उसको अभी सुला दिया, उसको पता नहीं क्या मीटिंग चालू हो गई. मैं उसको देखती हूँ, ठीक लगेगा फिर कराती हूँ.
हाँ 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 हाँ. Okay, so we are ending our call for now. Post your pictures of whatever you have made. आप लोगों ने अभी क्या क्या बनाया, आप लोग पोस्ट करो पिक्चर्स. और आपको ये सेशन कैसा लगा सब लोगों को?
Very nice, ma'am. I love.
मैम नाइस.
Very nice. Ma'am, I love. Very nice. आप नहीं करोगे? आप नहीं करोगे?
मैम दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
Yes, thank you. And you all are also behaving very nicely. You are engaging yourself in your activity. This is very good. You have to be engaged in one or the other activity. Now remember, I am saying you every alternate day or once in every 2-3 days, no screen time more for you kids, because as if it is 1.5 hour we are here on the screen continuous. So don't see more TV, don't see more mobiles. Okay, show me a thumbs up. Yes, very good. Be ready for your tomorrow's activity. I would be loving to seeing you all dressed up, or you all enacting in whatever your ambition is, whatever you have to become in your future. Okay, show me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, who is saying me?
Ma'am, Jay Mantri.
Yes.
मैम मैं बोल रहा था कि अगर हमारे पास ड्रेस नहीं तो हमें 2-3 लाइन बोलनी पड़ेगी उसके बारे में.
आपको ड्रेस नहीं है, मैं ड्रेस के लिए बोल नहीं रही हूँ कि आपको ड्रेस लेकर आनी है बच्चा बाहर से. मुझे ये चाहिए कि आप बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हो. आप जो भी बनना चाहते हो उसके बारे में आपको मिनिमम 2 minutes बोलना है. Now, why I am saying you that you have to say, I want you all to become very much perfect in your speech, very much perfect in your vocals. You have to say without hesitating in front of the public. Okay, so here all 25-26 kids are here. So I want to see you all speaking up. Okay. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
See you. Bye, ma'am.
See you tomorrow.